I want to show you how long it will take me to crystal embellish the front of this clock, and we're using the Ninja Super Tight Fusion Tack adhesive and the wax picker pencil to pick up and place the crystals that I will be selecting from the Serenity Crystal Dream Mix from BlueStreetCrystals.com. I'm starting with the outer edges first, and then I'm going to fill in the remaining spaces with a scatter embellishment style, which will give us a really solid sparkle. Now it's exactly 11 o'clock and we're going to see how long this takes me. So you can see here I'm using every available size that you can get in the Serenity Dream Mix, which varies from the tiny SS3s popular with nail art to the pretty big SS20 and every size in between. This versatility found within the Serenity Dream case, which comes included with the Dream Mix, means I do not even need to move my hand. Everything I need is right there, which means this entire video can be one long take, and I can now tell you with mathematical certainty that this took me 44 minutes to complete, and now I need a cup of tea.